guys, so here's what we got going on. I got less than 2 weeks. I gotta put my whole interior back together. My seats are still about to get done, which shouldn't take that long, maybe a week and a half. So I'm gonna be cutting it super close. So now that I got most of my shit back, I gotta fucking start cleaning up all my shit. So here's what I did, a little sneak peek. I got a little stencil going on. Here's my stencil. That's right, boy. And these are my speaker grills for the rear. What I did was I naturally primered them white first, and then I thought about it. I was like, oh shit, the way I want them done, I fucked up. So then I had to go back and spray on purple. Then I'm gonna lay my stencil down with my little secret way that I lay stencils down on shit, where, you know, because I know you're looking at it and you're like, fucking paper, shit's gonna blow away as soon as you start spraying. Well, got a little trick that I do that I used to do when I used to do tail lights. So that's what I got. So I'm gonna throw down my stencil, paint over it, and then I'll paint it all white, and then hopefully it'll be the way I want it to come out. So we'll see how that goes.
Music in the bitches and a little bit of terror. You can speak it how you want, you little faggot motherfucker, but who no be the truth, you little maggot motherfucker.
Alright guys, so I got my base coat down, got my stencils ready, and this is how we're gonna do it. In case you don't know, my magic, a little bit of water. So I'll show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna just gently dip it in water.
Fresh bag of potent, twist tight, marinated in your chest, let it burn and take flight. For them southeast bangers, chipping and break a bitch. Lifestyle mad lavish, stay sick and it won't switch. Play your peak, this is CALI, hard knocking where most killers cook it up, break it down, to flip it to 6-figure. Hustle on with your peace, tough famine is so gravy. Cause suckers getting robbed like it was the mid-80s. Nothing nice, I was giving the deal. Plotting packet, motherfuckers been real in the field. Rhyme mode by the code, ain't a damn thing changing. Innocence of adolescent is still banging. You can tell by the lingo that the kid be on the get one. Ain't no need to talk about it, just come get some. Something so good that the next generation fully developed this shit and jumped into the occupation. Homie, holla, till you put a thrill in your life. Don't let me catch your ass slip inside some dick in your wife. They keep it pushing, they ain't even trying to test. I'm smashing in the big body and banging the new west. Ain't no need
for you to try to fake this.
Ain't no need,
you're fucking with the greatest.
let's proceed.
Representing all the West, come and boogie to this shit, throw it up and nothing less.
Ain't no need
for you to try to fake this.
Ain't no need,
yeah, you're fucking with the greatest.
let's proceed.
Representing all the West, come and boogie to this shit, throw it up and nothing less.
Now this song is dedicated to all you haters out there, cause without you, this wouldn't be possible. Fuck you very much, very much. I got a minute to express my fucking feelings, and if you be talking out your ass, sit down and listen. I heard you like to talk shit behind my back, but motherfuckers like you, I'm gonna cut you slack. Cause all you do is use our name to get your fame, but nobody knows you, who I'm gonna be.
So pretty much I got all my fucking door parts painted. I'm working on my 2 last big pieces, and then I'll be able to throw this interior back together.
This cheddar, whether or not you wanna kick it with the fellas, I'm still gonna buy you a pink umbrella. Cause I'm gonna storm on you and put my skills. Don't mean to waste my time with y'all, but I got to get my thrills. Chill, spills through your spineless little body. And if you wanna be naughty, I'ma beat you to my bodies. Just a little warning before I bring the pain. And if you want some war, I'm raising Cain.
It's just a killer in me, we're gonna bring it to you. We're gonna kill the competition with my whole damn crew. It's just a killer in me, we're gonna bring it to you. We're gonna kill the competition with my whole damn crew.
I'm a serial killer, a microphone mic. Electrocute the competition when I bump the volume higher. I keep you burning like the gates in hell, and make you spend a lonely night at the Bates Motel. I'm a psycho, never know when I'm gonna let it, never know when I'm gonna let go.
Alright guys, so here's the deal. I got all my stuff painted, all my plastic trims, all my speaker grills, everything I needed to paint, minus my wood grain, which I still got a candy, but I still got a little bit of time for that. So now all we have to do is finish cleaning the carpet, get my door panels in, get my headliner in, get all my shit in, get everything scotch guarded, because you know that's what they say is good for suede, so prevent it from fading a little bit faster. But no matter what, I guess suede's always gonna fade, so there ain't shit I can do about that. So that's all we have left. So for today I'm done doing all my painting. It's getting a little chilly, so I don't want to really work anymore. and I got work tonight, so you know, gotta be short on the time, and I haven't even slept all day, so gotta get it in one more day. Let's do this shit. Car's almost done, pushing hard.